How to change add friend button to message button on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on your profile and go to your profile again. Then tap on three dotted lines over here and then tap on view as. So here you can see you have the option of add friend. So now we want to change it to message button on Facebook. So what we're going to do is we're going to exit from here and then go to the settings of the Facebook application and then scroll down to audience and visibility segment, where you can see the option of how people find and contact you. Then here on the option of who can send you friend requests, right now it's toggled on for everyone, so just tap on it and select on friends of friend. Then go back and then tap on followers and public content. After that you can see the option of who can follow me, so just tap on friends over here. After that go back, and after saving all of this you can just go to your profile back again and tap on three dotted lines and go to view as, and here you can see it has been changed to message from add friend. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.